Hello guys, it's Jelly from WTI. And when it comes to making my bed look beautiful, let me tell you a bit about this sheet set. I like these sheets mainly for their gray color, which goes well with anything and doesn't look mismatched. The material of the sheets is essential for me because since it's quite hot, they don't make me feel overheat if I stay in bed for a long time. When the weather turns cool, they also adapt to any temperature. It's like a technology that makes them comfortable no matter the climate, allowing me to stay in bed without feeling uncomfortable and to enjoy my time there. Besides the sheet, the set includes pillowcases and an extra sheet. It's very easy to put on, so I can do it myself, and it fits my bed perfectly. I can wash it without worrying about the color fading or the quality deteriorating. It's also great for my guest room, making visitors feel very welcomed. This sheet set has been my favorite for a long time, and that's my point of view.